I've noticed that the Filipino behavior is we always take citrus juices, acidic food, and
Oh.
then coffee. And the thing is, kasi doktora, these are parts of our daily routine.
Mhm.
In
Mm.
every kanto, meron kang coffee shop. And some people take one or two. So what
Oo.
is the impact of that to tooth sensitivity, if there is? That's my first
Um,
question.
First of all po, if there is tooth sensitivity, there could be the presence of dental caries. That's number one. Meron siyang sira ng ipin. No?
Okay.
Lalo na po those taking juices. Yan,
Oh,
mga
prolonged.
kalamansi. Yeah, prolong.
Yeah.
Mm.
So, kung open na kasi po yung dental tubules, there's an opening. It could be somehow affecting na rin na po yung yung second layer ng ipin, which is the dentin. Or worst pa po, there is already a communication between the outside environment and the nerve or the pulp. So,
Oh,
Mm.
yun po yung possible cause ng sensitivity. Another is gingival recession. So,
okay.
nag-recede na po yung gingiva, yung gums mismo ng pasyente. What are the causes? Harsh toothbrushing is one. Yung
Oo.
Oh,
gumagamit po ng yung matitigas na toothbrush,
Ayun,
which is we do
sinasaktan mo
not
na yung sarili
recommend
mo.
it.
Mm.
Or it could be due to po, one is, yun nga, yung isa yung toothbrush abrasion. Yun po, yung sobrang gigil mag-toothbrush at
Mm.
matigas yung toothbrush na ginagamit.
Oo. Dapat
Oho, kaya
okay.
gentle
nagre-recede
lang.
yung gums. Another
Oo.
is, anong tawag po dito, meron po talagang gum disease ang pasyente na
Yes.
kung saan, minsan po kasi bumababa na rin yung age, dapat po yan mga around 40, 50 and up. Because
You're
of
correct. Eh.
certain habits like
You're
using
correct.
toothpick, minsan po
Mm.
kasi nagtutoothpick sila, so it causes toothpick abrasion in between contacts. So, ganun din po, parang natatalupan yung area na yon. So, pag na-expose din po yung dentin, then it will also cause sensitivity.
Oo. May
This is
idagdag ko
good
lang.
kabahagi.
May idagdag ko
Kasi
lang,
this,
friend
okay.
doctors, no? Yung sinasabi ni Doc Pao na pag-inom ng mga juice, 'di ba, ng mga, let's say, yung uso ngayon, milk teas, coffees, 'di ba? Yung iba hindi naman nagre-rinse after, no?
Yeah, that's a concern.
Nabababad
Mhm.
yung
Oo.
sugar dun sa singit-singit ng ngipin. So, 'di ba, no, Doc Orlina, na posible ding maging dahilan kung bakit masira yung ngipin.
Um, Actually kasi yung ibang causes is when you say juices, no, and even milk, it's
That's high in
still
sugar. Eh.
acid. It's
Mm.
Acid
still
and sugar. Yeah.
acid. Opo.
Yes,
So,
yes.
lalo na in terms of sa mga young patients namin, yung mga bata, pumupunta dito, sabihin ng mommies nila, ang baho ng bibig. The first thing that I ask, of course, depends on the age. Let's say mga 4, 5, 6. Tinatanong ko kung nagba-bottle feeding pa or dumedede pa.
Oh.
Kasi ang sitwasyon is nabubulok yung ipin lalo na if they do bottle feeding at night tapos hindi na po sila pinapainom ng tubig,
That's correct.
then the milk
That's
turns
correct.
into lactic acid, therefore it is also attacking the enamel, so nagsisira talaga yung ipin. Sometimes it's not black as what we see, sometimes it's what we call the white spot lesion na kung i-compare natin kung nakakakita kayo ng bigas na puting-puti na, tapos
Oo.
kapag pinisil mo, wala na siyang laman, it's already hollow inside. That also happens to the teeth. Yan po yung
Wow.
nag-start sa white spot lesion. Akala mo, ang puti-puti ng ipin, pero underneath, it's already demineralized
Oh, parang
enamel.
Oh
ano
my
na,
goodness.
wala nang
Yes
This
laman.
po.